Well, how y'all doing? Today we're gonna do the unboxing of a Phoenix Models Edge 46 to 55. So here we go. Pretty sure this is a box in a box, but we'll see how this goes. No. This is it. Let me get my glasses. This is the Edge 540, 55.3 inch, I guess. So, let's open it up. So the first thing on top is what is it? It's not packed that great, but I guess it sounds not this broken. Decal set. Decal set. Push rods. Put this right here. Rudder. Pre-hinged. That is the question. I'm gonna guess on a model this cheap, because this was only $200 and some, that it's not pre-hinged. I hope it is, because it's less work, but we'll see. It's the rudder pre-hinged. Here's a moment of truth. Nope. So we're gonna have to glue this in, but it's not that hard to do. All right, so this is not pre-hinged, but here's a rudder. Instructions. Thank God that I have real instructions. Side force generators with some nice bolts. I don't know if you can see. Okay. The elevator that I'm sure I'll have to also, that is not pre-hinged. Pre-slotted, but not pre-hinged. All right. Elevators. Pre-slotted, but not pre-hinged, but this won't be hard to do. Just make sure it's where it needs to be. Gonna have to cut this to fit the fuse. Could almost do it right there, but okay. Wings. Here's the wing with it's got a screw right here. I'm not sure what that's for, but it's probably for some kind of safety lock system. Ailerons, pre-slotted, but not pre-hinged, but they seem plenty big. Oh, look at the bottom. I didn't know it had pink. That's pretty cool. Aileron servo goes right here, at an angle apparently. Okay, we'll figure it out. That's seems like a weird angle to have an aileron at. You can't see it. It's like this, like my finger. You can see the way the wing is. It's just odd. Other wings should be exactly the same, but opposite wing. All right. Getting toward the bottom of the box so now. Accessories. So you got landing here, axles, spinner, kind of an oval fuel tank. That's interesting. Okay. All the bolts and stuff. Put that back. Well, and I guess not all of them, some of them, because there's some. Blind nuts, some long bolts. I don't know what that is, but whatever those things are, they're probably possible engine mounts. Templates for something. Standoffs. I don't know. We'll worry about it when I get there with the instructions. Fuselage. Fuselage. All right, it's got a canopy opening here. Little lock thing, which is very nice. Some kind of lock system here for something. For the wings. Look at that. Oh, that screw goes. Here, let me see if I can show you. So that screw for the wing I showed you goes here. This locks, releases here. So that's pretty cool. This is very spacious here. Tubes, you can see there for the wires running to the elevators and stuff. I guess all the servos would go here. Maybe some here, I don't know. I'll figure that out. This is the inside. Engine box. So here I just have to figure out where I'm going to put the blind nuts at. Oh, there are 4 holes here. I wonder if they want the engine mounted sideways. This way and this way. It's got 2 wing tubes, apparently. Here's one. So that's interesting. You could probably yank the crap out of this in the air and have the wings not come off. Switch would go here. Could go here, but I think either here. This would probably be the best spot for the switch. It's got a whole bunch of holes around it though. Switch would go here. Actually good. It's got one on, it's got on the other side too, where I prefer to have it, before I got it on most of my other planes. Alright. So that's this. We're gonna put this back in here. Wheel pants, if you're interested. I don't use wheel pants because it gets caught up in the grass. Or grass gets caught up in there, and then they're hard to, they get stuck and then the wheels won't roll. I'm just curious to see if these are rubber wheels or foam wheels. If they're foam wheels, I'm not going to use them. I don't know what these are. They might be foam, they might be plastic. I don't think they're rubber. They are squeezable. Maybe I use them, maybe I won't. I don't know. We'll see. And then cowling. Taped up. I did read the instructions that says not to use anything harsh on this, on these surfaces, so no acetone and anything like that. So I don't know how I'm going to keep it clean, but I guess I'll figure that out. Fiberglass cowling seems nice enough. I might cut something in here for cooling. Might cut this off. Maybe not. I don't know. I gotta figure out how to keep it cool. Okay, but this is cool enough. All right, that's there. And here are the wing tubes. Let me just pull them out so you see them, but yeah. You got 2. Which hopefully you can see. There you go. And then that's it. So we'll try and work on this whenever we can find time in between flying. And that's it. Thank you for watching. This should be interesting to build. Hopefully it won't take me as long as the other one. And hopefully with less trouble. Although with me, who knows. All right, thank you for watching. See y'all later.